In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Minecraft connection timed out error. Now first what you want to do is type cmd down here, right click on command prompt and run as an administrator. It will open up this box, and from in here we're gonna type some commands. First you want to type in ipconfig space/release, press enter and then do the exact same with the rest. So do the next one, ipconfig//dns, enter, this one enter, this one enter, 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 enter. After you've done all of that, restart your computer and check if it works. Now if it still doesn't work, what we can do is come down here to our firewall, allow an app right here, change settings and look for your Minecraft. Now Minecraft should already be in here if you installed it through the website or through Microsoft Store. If it's in here, make sure both are ticked on all of these. If you cannot find it, just press allow another app, browse, and then find your minecraft.exe. Now you can find that by finding your Minecraft, right click, and then open file location. Now once you've allowed this one and made sure that it's on private and public, if it still doesn't work, what you can do is you can come down here and search for reset network reset, this one, open it up and then reset the network. Now after you've done that, your PC will restart and it should hopefully work. If it still doesn't work, you can do it manually by going here, open network settings, in here change adapter options, right click, disable, and then right click enable. After you do that, you're gonna go off the internet and on the internet again, and this might also fix the issue. Now if none of these fix your issue, there's two things left that we can try. One is simply do a clean uninstall of Minecraft. So come here and search for apps and features, search for Minecraft, uninstall, and then reinstall it. Now if that also doesn't work, you can go to your router in your house, plug it out and wait like 5 to 10 seconds and then plug it back in so the entire internet in your house restarts. Now I really hope any of these helped you. You can also try using a VPN, but I'm not sure if that's gonna work. But you can try any of these and hopefully it will work for you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.